Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to another maths lesson. Now today we are just going to go through our number flashcards, and then we're going to have a look at one less than a number, which is the opposite of more. So before we do that, I'm just going to check that you know all of your numbers. If you don't worry, you can keep practicing. Are you ready? What number is this? 9, 4, 12, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 14, 10, 18, 1, 20, 19, 15, 11, 13, 16 and 17. Now, I'm going to give these a really big shuffle. And then I'm going to show you one card at a time. And I want you to tell me if the next number is bigger or smaller. So, let's start with the number 5. Now, the next number is number 19. Now, is 19 bigger or smaller than number 5? It's bigger. Fantastic. We've got 19. Ooh. Is 6 bigger or smaller than 19? It's smaller. Fantastic. Number 16. Is 16 bigger or smaller than 6? It's bigger. Excellent. Let's do a few more. Now we've got 16 and now we've got 13. Is 13 bigger or smaller than 16? It's smaller. Let's do 2 more. We've got 13. Ooh, and now we've got the number 8. Is 8 bigger or smaller than 13? It's smaller. Let's try one more. We've got number 8. Now we've got number 11. Is 11 bigger or smaller than number 8? It's bigger. Fantastic. Now we're going to put our number flashcards down and I am going to show you something on my table now. So I'm going to turn you down. And we have got our number line to 10 again. And we're going to start by looking at numbers to 10. And then we will go to 20. Now, the last couple of days, you've been looking at finding one more than a number. So when we find one more, does the number get bigger or does the number get smaller? It gets bigger. We count on, we go up the number line. But when we find one less means it gets smaller. So we need to count backwards because when we count backwards, the number gets smaller. So instead of finding the number that comes after, we need to find the number that comes before. So if I said to you, what is 1 less than number 2? We don't count up to the next number because that would be more. That's bigger. We go back and we jump back 1. And the number before number 2, that is 1 less, is number 1. Let's try another one. What is 1 less than 4? See if you can have a look. Now remember, 1 less means the number that comes before. What do you think? 1 less than 4, let's jump back 1, is 3. Great job if you got that right. Let's try another one. What is 1 less than 6? 1 less, 1 smaller than. What do you think, everybody? Are we going to jump up and get a bigger number for one more? No, we're going to count back 1 to get a smaller number. So 1 less than 6 would be 5. Fantastic. Now, you need to just try and remember that when we say more, we need a bigger number. So we're going to count on. When we say 1 less, we need a smaller number. So we're going to count back. Now, if you need a little bit of help with that, you could use objects too. So if I got 4 worms, here is the number 4. Now you could use anything you've got in your house to do this. You could use grapes, Cheerios. I know some of you have used Smarties or pasta, which is excellent too. So we've got 4 objects. Now, if we need to find one less, how many do you think I need to take away? Just 1, because we need to find one less, one fewer. So we're going to take 1 away. So 1 less than 4 equals 1, 2, 3. And we can check that on our number line because we need to count backwards and find the number that comes before 4, which is 3. So we've got 3 on our number line and 3 objects. Now I'm going to do that with you one more time, but this time I'm going to use some of our vehicles. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's add a boat in there as well. 5 and a train, 6. Here's number 6. Now I wonder if you can remember, if I'm finding one less than the number 6, how many objects am I going to take away? Just 1. I'm taking it away because I now need less, a smaller amount of objects. So I've taken 1 away. Now we had 6, so 1 less than 5. Let's count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check on our number line. So on number 6, we're going to count back 1 to find 1 less. So 1 less than 6 is 5. We've just done that with our objects, and our number line has shown us that we are correct. Now, I'm going to show you back up. Now, that's what I want you to practice. At home, you can use objects to help you, or you could use a number line. You could put the number line on the floor and practice jumping back to find 1 less. Or you could use some objects in your house like I have done and take some away. Or you could just have a number line in front of you and use your finger to count backwards if you would like as well. But just remember, lock into your heads that when we find 1 less, the number gets smaller. We need to count backwards 1. Now, before you go, I want you to help me count backwards from 20 because this will really help you as well. Are you ready? I'm going to get my number line for you. Oh, bless me, boys and girls. Here is our number line. So I'm going to use one of our worms. We're going to start at number 20. Are you ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Keep practicing that because that will help you. I can't wait to see all of your maths photos. I've seen so many already this week. So good luck and send me a picture or a video when you have finished. Bye everybody.